All right, guys, how to retarget negative ASINs. Now, why would you want to retarget negative ASINs? ASINs that you feel is highly competitive. Number one, anything that is competitive in the system, it is highly demanded by clients. So yeah, even though we take them out of some campaigns, doesn't mean that we cannot go back and target them. Each campaign has its own structure. And each campaign, you can do several things. You can create 99 ad groups. You can create as many campaigns as you want. So I like to use, personally, I like to use different various kinds of campaigns, and I like to go after products that are negative ASINs. It is amazing the way negative ASINs work. So let's say all of these are negative ASINs. I would copy them, and because they are highly competitive, when I say competitive means look at the revenue here. It's going to answer for itself. Look at the revenue, 38,000, 33,000. Let's say these are our top competitors. We're going to copy them and we're going to target them. We're going to target them because they have a brand reputation in the industry. They have high number of reviews. Clients are actually searching for this. So whenever you're targeting a high competitive ASIN, you want to make sure that your bidding is not aggressive. It is not normal. It is a low bid strategy. And our main purpose for the low bid strategy is to make sure that we go after the profitable keywords, after the profitable. So let's say, clear this up. So we're doing product targeting. We can enter a list. And here we can choose expanded, exact and expanded to make it go after the ASINs we want. So we're going to do this. And the suggested bid, since they are competitive enough, I would put it at like 12 cents a bid. If it's highly competitive, even start with 2 cents a bid. You don't want to go, because what happens is if some product is highly competitive with thousands and thousands of reviews, you're going to get so many clicks on that product. It is amazing. So imagine if you do a $1 bid and you got 3,000 clicks, that's $3,000 spent. But if you have a 2 cents bid and you got 3,000 clicks, you're going to spend $1,550, you know? So you want to really utilize that sense that if you get 3,000 clicks, and if you get 1% of that, which is 30 clicks, you just sold your products for nothing. You know, your vehicles will be extremely on the lower side. So this is the reason why we go after negative ASINs. Same thing with the ASINs. We can also target the brand names. So now, if each brand is carrying different products, and we don't know which products, they could have lunchbox, bento box, and then along with that, they could have several hundreds different listings. We don't know basically what other listings they have. So we can always go here. We can go manual targeting, choose the word keyword targeting, enter a list, suggested bid, again, under 12 cents and under, I would do with 2 cents. To start with, I would wait 3-4 days, see what conversions I'm getting. And if I'm getting good conversions, then I'm going to start, increasing. But if I'm getting very bad conversion, then I will double, triple the bids over here. And for keyword targeting, you want to make sure that you are doing a separate campaign, one for broad, one for phrase on all of these, and one for exact. So let's say broad. Let's see what their rate is going. Let's see what's there. See all of this? Nothing in the system. Okay. Now, another reason why you get these dashes is because our product is not indexing for these keywords. They're not getting indexed at all. And that is also another reason why we end up getting the dashes. Okay. So I hope you guys understand. Now, if you really want to do this the aggressive way, then you can always go and add the 900% to each and make it dynamic bits up and down. So what does that mean? 2 cents times 900% is 18 cents. If you double the bits, if it goes 100%, then it's 36 cents a bit. Not a big deal, but it works amazing, okay? It is a very low bit campaign and it works absolutely amazing. So don't be scared to run. Another technique that I would say, if you are using such technique to target, you can take all your products, every single product you have, and you can use this technique to target. You know, target all your products, use this, and look for the value. But such kind of campaigns do take time, week, 2, 3 weeks to really warm up, and then you eventually get the information. Okay, and we can remove the word brand. So one for broad, one for phrase match, and the other one for exact match. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. Thank you so much for watching.